We had patches on our britches, but Mama kept us neat. We had food on the table and shoes on our feet. We plowed the fields and we gathered the corn. We were taught to work from the day we were born. Mom and Dad and all his children worked in the summer's heat to keep food on the